Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 not detecting SD card 3 easy fixes. First method is add drive letter. Second method is update SD card driver. Third method is uninstall SD card driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.